Good versus evil, cat versus dog, human versus robot. That is correct, Amundo. I, a very much human chef, am going to cook against an AI chatbot. In the last episode, I asked you guys to DM and comment completely random ingredients to use as prompts for the recipe in this episode. Now, of your suggestions, I did my best to choose 3 completely random, non-cohesive ingredients for this recipe. Boker Tov, my metallic amigo. Let's have a cooking competition. I will give you 3 random ingredients, and you must give me a recipe that is as creative and delicious as you can make it. I'll use those same ingredients to create a dish of my own. Since you can't cook, I will cook both of the dishes to the best of my ability. The secret ingredients are bananas, pork belly, and black vinegar. Okay, we got the ingredients sorted. Let's see what the AI has in store for us.
Let's get this party started. Begin by slicing the pork belly into 1-inch cubes, then set them aside. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, black vinegar, rice vinegar, vegetable oil, grated ginger, and minced garlic. Oopsie daisy. Next, add the pork belly pieces to the marinade. Toss to coat well and let them marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Peel the bananas, then slice them into 1-inch pieces. Then, thread the marinated pork belly and banana pieces onto the soaked wooden skewers, alternating between the two. In a 425-degree oven, bake the skewers on a lined baking sheet for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the pork is cooked through and the bananas are caramelized and soft. Remove the skewers from the oven and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Damn, that actually looks pretty dang. I'm def getting the W on this one. Suck on that, you meat sacks.
Not if I have anything to say about it, Bolt Bucket. We're gonna roast these guys off in the oven for about 20 minutes on low heat, around 250. They're gonna turn super crazy black, you'll see. While we wait, let's make a vinaigrette. This vinaigrette is actually just a nakcham. It's a spicy, tangy, sweet, acidic sort of dipping sauce thing. We're gonna use it as a vinaigrette. These Thai birds will burn your face off, so be careful. This couldn't be easier. Add your chilies, garlic, sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, and a bit of water. Then just mix that around and boom. This nakcham is gonna get tossed with an herby salad, but more on that later. Now onto the black vinegar reduction. This is what we're going to use to baste our pork. To a saucepan, add black vinegar, brown sugar, water, spices and bay leaf, garlic, and MSG, aka the God particle. Now we're going to crank that up till it's reduced. Mix that around a bit, take that heat up to high, then again reduce the whole lot down until thick and syrupy. 10 seconds on the nanners. Double ding. Oh yeah. This is what bananas look like after some time in the heat dungeon. They are super dark, the skin is blackened and fully oxidized. No, it's just like a super soft, creamy, steamed banana. Which is perfect for pureeing into a sauce. More specifically, a banana barbecue sauce type thing. This is a fun little technique to add age to your bananas that would otherwise be a little too firm and kind of young and taut to kind of melt down into a sauce easily at least. I'm adding our softened bananas into a pot full of aromatics, some tomato paste, a long list of other ingredients, and for that full recipe you can head over to my website and check it out. I got you over there. Smells banana-y. Tastes banana-y. Moving on to our final secret ingredient, le belly. I went ahead and sliced our pork belly into 1/2-inch lengths. Just sort of imagine a super thicky piece of bacon. Season up, then sear those bad boys in a ripping hot cast iron. Then when they start to take on some color, flip them over and begin basting with the reduction. Again, flipping all the while until they're caramelized and blackened. I decided to cut these into little lardons or strips. These are kind of fat lardons, but you get the idea. They're gonna eat real nice in the salad. That NPC is going down. To make fresh green herbs and other greens fresh and perky, add them to an ice bath, then whirl them dry in the salad spinner. This is just gonna bring life and crunch to your salads. I'm sprinkling in some seasoned and roasted peanuts for crunch, followed by our pork, which I am going to then toss with the nakcham vinaigrette that we made. To plate up, we got some of our white rice, some of our banana sauce down. Now rest that porky herb salad right on top the sauce. Little toasted sesame seed on the rice and some more nakcham over the top for good measure, and boom! That's our final dish. All right, we got our 2 complete dishes here. We have the skewer situation from our robotic compadre. Then we have this herby, sort of crispy pork salad situation here that I threw together. Just like last time, to judge which one is tastier, we're gonna bring Frankie on and he's gonna give it to us how it is. Welcome, Frankie, everybody. Clap it up for Frankie, everybody. Woo! All right, what do you want, a spork? Definitely.
You have a spork.
I have this metal spork, dude.
Yeah. This time, I'm gonna try yours first. I'm not gonna say anything yet. We'll try the AI one now.
That thing actually looks kind of nice.
Pretty
Will
cool
it taste good? We shall see. Banana pork belly. It made him giggle. Damn it! Mine didn't make you giggle.
Wow.
Good wow or bad wow?
Good wow.
Oh!
That was a good wow. I have to say, like, initially knowing the 3 ingredients, I wasn't sure about pork and banana. That turned out really well. I think pork and like sweetness go well together.
Totally.
Just straight up banana piece with a nice chunk of pork. Honestly, is really good. Your sauce, the banana, it's just like not as prominent in the dish. Although I will say that your herb and peanuts and just like the way it all came together was much more elevated. It's like a much finer, refined taste. But in terms of which one I like better, I think you know what's coming. I'm not gonna lie, I like the AI better. I like the skewer.
It's fine. No, it's fine.
No.
No, it's fine.
We could still be friends and stuff.
100% we
You know,
maybe.
right?
F maybe. Oh, I gotta try it. Can I try it?
Yeah, you could try it. I'll give
Will
you
you let me?
permission.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not like you cooked it or anything.
It's a nice chunk.
It goes well together, much better than I thought it would.
Weird. Good.
Yeah.
Man, that is tasty. All right, well, thanks for that.
You're welcome. Thanks for the pork and bananas.
Yep, no problem. No problem, man. All right, AI won, humans won. Unfortunately, we did not take the W on this one, but there's always next time. Speaking of next time, go ahead and comment or DM me one example ingredient that you'd like to see us use in the next competition. We want these to be as wacky and wild as possible, so get creative. Also, come say hello in the Discord. We have an official Omnivorous Adam Discord over there, talking a lot about, the different video series we do. If you have any ideas for me, I'd love to hear about it over there. That's all I got for you today. Until next episode. Toodles. Stop looking at me like that.
Ha 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 ha.